In today's video, I will guide you on how you can generate unlimited AI images using this free AI image generator, which is piclumen.com. So just go here into piclumen.com, and from here, you can click here on generate for free, and now you just need to log in. In my case, I'll just log in with my Google account. And now, once you're signed in, you will now be prompted here. So now you can see your daily rewards. Claim your free Illumins and earn more in the rewards center. So now, claim. And from here to generate our AI images is that you want to go here into create. Now here in the create is that you can start tutorial if you need that. In my case, I'll just go with no thanks. Now from here, I'm going to click here on the generate button right here. So you can now select the model, and then you could go for the aspect ratio, advanced settings, and many more. In my case, I'll just describe my image in here. So let's say a portrait of a dog in a digital art style. So it's just a very simple prompt. So now click here on this button to submit a task, and it will now start generating your AI image right here. As you can see, it's fast. Right here, it says fast because we have some lumens to spare. So as you can see, here it is. Now you can now use this image, and from here, you can just download this right here. And please wait, and as you can see, it is now downloaded. And now we have our free AI image right here, as easy as that. And you can also go here into rewards to get more lumens. So in here, you can get more lumens so that you would have fast AI generation here in Piclumen. So this is a really great tool for you to create so many AI images using this free AI image generator tool. So that's it for this video on how you'd be able to generate unlimited AI images using this free AI image generator. So kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.